Before you start programming, you need a place to write code. Like a notebook for your ideas. This place is called a code editor. I recommend using Geany. It's simple and free. Steps: 1. Go to Google. 2. Search download Geany. 3. Choose your operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac. 4. Download and install it. Open Geany. You'll see a blank white space. This is where you'll write your code. At the top, there's a button. This is how you run your code. You're now ready to write your first program. Let's go.